Hello, my name's, said hello, funny there. Hello, my name's Kev from Data Sites, and I'm going to show you in the short video how to connect Power BI Desktop to your Dia data via your Data Hub. If you haven't got your Data Hub already, there's another video on our landing page, or just hit us up and we'll send it to you on how to create an account and sync your data. It's super easy. All right, so now that you've got your data in your cloud database, open up Power BI Desktop and just click Get Data SQL Server. And I cannot stress how important it is to make sure that you always do this in direct query mode. What that means is that your reports, when they're published to PowerBI.com, they're going to be executing SQL against your database, which means that everything's going to be automated in real time. So bottom line is always just do direct query. It means automated and or real time. If you do this in import mode, it means that you're basically just doing manual Excel reporting with a flashy Power BI front end. It's basically useless. So log into your Data Hub, click on Cloud Database, and then copy across the server name, username, and password. So server name goes here. Obviously, this would be your particular cloud database. Each one of our clients gets their own dedicated one, of course. Hit database here. Type in the username. I've got the password, I think. And we're in. And how easy was that? So now we just got to wait here. That's the server. That's the database. We have a ton of stuff in here. But the important thing is that you can now just select the Dia tables you want. Or if you've got 0 or we've got 40 plus connectors, you can just select whatever you want. So if we wanted to say pull down the DSL invoices and the DSL orders, that's what we do. And literally, that's how easy it is to get your Dia data into Power BI Desktop, build your reports, publish that up to your account, and away you go. And what you can end up with, looking at our Dia report demos, is something along these lines. So, yeah, any questions at any point, just hit us up in the chat button, which is hiding behind this little video thing down on the left. And we're here to help and make sure that you can automate your data and make your reporting life infinitely easier. Thanks very much for your time. Cheers, bye.